One thing Hursthouse does, and obviously you've had your decades long of success in doing this, is upkeep. How critical and how often then is it in your eyes necessary to maintain that?
So a professional maintenance crew who is highly skilled, talented, trained, that knows how to take care of each and every plant properly, all the grounds, all the paving, everything so it is tip-top is critical on a weekly basis through the growing season. So that's really from March all the way till December. Weekly visits to make that happen. And then in the winter, we'd be doing structural pruning. So that's a dormant prune. And I think it doesn't just stop there. We also need to have the design team out periodically to walk the garden to see, is the original intent still intact of what the design was? Are the spaces still performing the way we want them to? Has anything changed for the family? Do they have a change of use? As time goes on, the family dynamic shifts a little bit and maybe new hobbies come into play and they want to change a little something. So always looking at that space and being very intentional about, is it absolutely perfect? Is it exactly what it should be? Or do we want to make a little change? We've joked at times that we're on project number 87 with a client or 47 with a client. And I think many clients, we exceed those numbers because there's always a few projects per year where it's a little planting here and a container there, or we want to add some more lighting here. And that's in addition to the normal maintenance routine of just taking care of the plants and taking care of the lawn throughout the season.